Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to see how you can get the time in Flutter. So this will be a quick video, so let's start. So as you can see, this is our demo app, and here we have simply a clock or any icon. So what we can do is we can simply have a gesture detector so that on tap we can get the time on instead of this icon. Okay, so what we can do is let's start. Inside the on tab we'll have our time of day, and let's say we say it as selected time. Okay, and it will be an async await operation. So now what we can do is we can simply write show time picker. Okay, so now as you can see, it asks for the context and the initial time. Okay, so context will be our context, and for the initial time what we can do is we can simply give it a time of day, which is time of day, and we can give the hours or minutes, or let's say we'll give it a 12 hours 20 minutes as our initial time. But now as you can see, it's showing us the red line because it's not null, so we'll simply make it a null value. And now what we can do is simply we can check if our selected time not equal to null, then we can have our operation here. Okay, so for showing the time, what we can do is we can simply get a string, let's say time. It will also be a null value. And now what we can do is we can simply use our time equal to selected time dot to string, and we'll use our set state. Okay, let's save the app. So now for showing our time, what we can do is we can simply use our time value here, time not equal to null. Then we can just show the text with our time. It's showing us the red lines because of the const. Removing the const will disappear the red lines. Okay, else we will show the icon. Okay, so now we'll give it a little bit of font size to our text. Let's give it a font size of 50. Okay, and just save the app. So now we have our app. We'll simply click on this icon. So now as you can see, we have our time picker with our initial value, that is 12 and 12:20. We can select the minutes, we can select the AM, PM, and when we click on OK, we'll get our time of day. Okay, so now as you can see, it's 12:49. We'll select 3:20 PM. It's 15:20. You can also get the values as we can show hours dot to string. Let's just save the app. Once again clicking the app, we'll get our 11:20, but it's 23 as it was PM, right? So instead of showing 23 hours 24 hours, what we can do is you can simply write dot format, and it takes in the context. And now just save the app. So what this format will do is this format will format our time of day into the human readable string, that is AM PM. Okay, so now as you can see, when I can hit cancel, nothing is going to change. Clicking on this text, we'll select 6 PM. We'll hit on OK. Now we have the value 6 PM. Similarly, we'll have our 9:10 AM. Click on the OK, and now we have our time, which is 9:10 AM. Okay, so this is how you can use show time picker and use like this to get the time in Flutter. So this is the easiest and simplest way to get time in Flutter. Hope you found this video helpful. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.